Hello and welcome to our whiteboard animation video on how to achieve your goals. In this video, we'll be sharing a step-by-step guide that will help you accomplish your goals and turn your dreams into reality. Step 1. Set specific goals. The first step to achieving your goals is to set specific goals. This means that you need to clearly define what you want to achieve and create a plan to get there. Your goals should be measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Create an action plan. Once you have set your goals, the next step is to create an action plan. This plan should include the specific actions you need to take to achieve your goals. Make sure your plan is realistic and achievable. Step 3. Stay focused. To achieve your goals, you need to stay focused. This means avoiding distractions and staying committed to your plan. One way to stay focused is to break down your goals into smaller tasks and focus on completing each one before moving on to the next. Step 4. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is key to achieving your goals. You can stay motivated by reminding yourself of your goals and the reasons why you want to achieve them. Celebrate your progress along the way and reward yourself when you reach milestones. Step 5. Learn from your mistakes. No one is perfect, and you are bound to make mistakes along the way. The key is to learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Analyze what went wrong, and adjust your plan accordingly. Conclusion: achieving your goals requires hard work, commitment, and focus. But with a clear plan, motivation, and perseverance, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Remember to set specific goals, create an action plan, stay focused and motivated, and learn from your mistakes. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel.